you feeling? What? You like it? Jusa, how you feeling? Driving, kuya.
So many stairs.
Yeah.
Why there's so many doors?
Yeah, because the bus is so big, they need 2 doors. Okay na, let's go na.
It's a giant.
Kasama, ma'am.
Marvel, sa crossing Barrio size na kuya.
Tama.
You want corn?
Yeah?
Yeah. No more na. No more corn na. Only one? Corn? Abis kay ka na. There's still pa kuya. You eat it properly.